Ryan, wake up now. The weekend morning feels fresh.
I am still sleepy. Please give me time.
You slept enough. The sun is already shining outside.
Weekend mornings should be slow and peaceful, not rushed.
Slow mornings are fine, but we planned today carefully.
I remember the plan. Just let me stretch first.
Stretch later. First, open your eyes properly, please.
Okay, I'm opening my eyes now.
Look outside. The weather looks bright and beautiful.
Yes, it looks nice. Maybe today will be fun.
Exactly. So stop sleeping and start smiling now.
You are always energetic in the mornings. Unbelievable.
Because mornings decide how good the whole day becomes.
All right, Ima. I'm finally sitting up now.
Good. Now get ready slowly. Breakfast is waiting. Sit here. Breakfast is warm and freshly prepared.
The smell already makes me feel hungry inside.
Eat calmly. Weekends are not meant for rushing.
This food tastes better because today feels relaxed.
Good breakfast always creates a positive mood.
You always say food improves mood in relationships.
Because it is true, especially during weekends.
After eating, where exactly are we going first?
First, we will go outside, then decide slowly.
I like plans that are flexible and easygoing.
Me too. No pressure, only enjoyment today.
This breakfast already feels like a celebration.
Finish eating, then we will leave together.
Okay, let me drink juice and relax.
Take your time. Weekends should feel comfortable.
Let me call a taxi so we travel comfortably.
Good idea. Walking too long may feel tiring.
The street looks lively and colorful today.
Yes, weekend mornings change the city's mood.
Taxi will arrive soon. Please wait here.
Waiting outside feels nice with fresh air.
First destination is a cozy coffee shop.
Coffee sounds perfect after a heavy breakfast.
Then we can explore shops without any rush.
Shopping feels more fun when time is relaxed.
Exactly. No hurry, no stress, only enjoyment.
I am glad we planned this day together.
Me too. Weekends feel better with company.
Look, the taxi is arriving now.
Great. Let's start our weekend journey.
This coffee shop looks calm and welcoming inside.
Yes, the atmosphere feels warm and relaxing.
I will order cappuccino, something light and smooth.
I prefer latte. It helps me relax.
Let's stand here and enjoy the smell.
Coffee places always slow down busy thoughts.
After coffee, what shopping should we start?
Clothes first, then maybe shoes or accessories.
I want something colorful and comfortable today.
Colorful clothes match the weekend mood perfectly.
I like shopping when we discuss choices calmly.
Yes, it feels less stressful and more enjoyable.
Let's finish coffee slowly, no rushing.
Agreed. Weekends should never feel hurried.
This coffee break already feels refreshing. This store looks bright and full of colors.
Yes, many options make shopping exciting here.
I want a dress suitable for casual outings.
That color looks nice and suits you well.
I also need a light jacket, maybe.
I am looking for comfortable shirts and jeans.
Try this shirt. It matches your style.
You are right. This feels comfortable and simple.
Shopping becomes easier when we help each other.
Yes, decisions feel lighter with shared opinions.
I am enjoying this relaxed shopping experience.
Me too. Weekends should always feel like this.
Let's finish shopping and head home happily.
Today will remain a beautiful weekend memory.
This mall feels big, colorful, and full of energy.
Yes, every corner looks lively and interesting today.
Walking slowly here makes me feel relaxed.
Same here. There is no pressure today.
Look at those shops. They look attractive.
We don't need to buy everything, just enjoy.
Window shopping sometimes feels better than buying.
Yes, it saves money and still feels enjoyable.
I like how calm my mind feels right now.
That means today is going perfectly.
Weekends should always feel slow and peaceful.
Agreed. Rushing destroys the joy completely.
Let's walk a little more before stopping.
Sure, I'm enjoying this relaxed walk.
Spending time like this feels meaningful.
Moments like these become memories later. Let's sit here and rest our legs.
Yes, walking so much finally feels tiring.
We have been exploring since morning.
Still, my mind feels fresh and happy.
That's because today feels stress-free.
I don't want this day to end.
Good days always pass too quickly.
At least we are enjoying every moment.
That's what matters the most.
Sitting quietly like this feels peaceful,
Sometimes silence feels better than talking.
but I enjoy talking with you.
Me too. Conversations feel natural today.
This break was really needed.
Yes, now we can continue again.
All this walking made me hungry again.
Same here. We should grab some snacks.
Something light but tasty would be perfect.
Snacks always improve mood instantly.
Look at those food options.
So many choices make decision difficult.
Let's choose something simple.
Simple food feels best after long walking.
Eating together always feels comforting.
Yes, food tastes better with company.
This day feels long but satisfying.
That's a sign of a good weekend.
I feel tired but happy inside.
That's the perfect balance.
Let's finish snacks slowly.
No hurry, we have time. The evening sky looks calm and beautiful.
Yes, the colors look soft and peaceful.
Today passed faster than I expected.
Good days always feel short.
I'm glad we spent today together.
Me too. This day feels special.
We should plan days like this often.
Yes, simple plans bring real happiness.
Walking like this feels relaxing.
I don't feel stressed at all.
This weekend will stay in memory.
Definitely. I will remember today.
Let's walk a little more.
Okay, I don't want to rush.
Ending slowly feels perfect.
Yes, today deserves a calm ending.